Last one that I'm going to mention will be around Mamba2FA. So, which again dynamically changes its theme based on a URL parameter. So, for instance, like as you set the SV there, you can see actually to voice, you see a fake voicemail overlay, or use, for example, it mimics a Microsoft OneDrive login page, or with NOM just for generic Microsoft login form. So this gives the flexibility to the attacker, so that they can adjust the phishing page according to the victim. So they will be able to personalize. And again, Auto UI automatically navigates through the layers, clicks the buttons, dismisses the overlays, and captures the full phishing page. Some screenshots from the actual campaigns here, which is ridiculously easy for anyone really. For example, Mamba2FA, this tool is sold on Telegram for just $250 a month. So maybe you're familiar, but again, it's value to highlight here. Like what's particularly dangerous here is the Mamba's, this tool's adversary in the middle AITM capability. So unlike basic phishing, so AITM actually bypasses multi-factor authentication that uses like one-time codes or app notifications. So it doesn't just steal credentials, it grabs session tokens and the digital identity ultimately of the victim, and giving instant access to the attacker. So overall, like closing off my part with some notes, if you're dealing with user-reported phishing emails, for example, from the employees, from the users, and if you have a pipeline full of them to analyze, Auto UI makes it easy. So as you scale this analysis, you need to have a tool that would be difficult to evade for the phishing infrastructure.